The Circle of Fifths, Part 2. 2 to 3 sharps or flats. All right, let's pick up where we left off in the sharp direction, which is going clockwise around the circle. We start now with G major, or E minor, and move the whole scale up a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a whole scale with a perfect fifth within the key of G. So it's G, A, B, C, D. Okay. And now we have a new leading tone. Just as I did when I showed you the scales going up about this far, we walk up a fifth. And now, or I should say, we walk up a fifth from G, make a major scale. Now, if I just played all the same notes that I had, I would have a C natural. So I raise that up to make it C sharp, which is T, our leading tone. Okay, so notice that our new sharp is T, the leading tone. And now we do that again. We are going to start on D and walk up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes to get us to A. Moving in a sharp direction, we add a sharp, and the new sharp is T. The new sharp is T, because if I kept the notes in the key of D and started on A, it would put me here. That gives us a different scale. We want a major scale, so we're going to raise the G to a G sharp. Okay? Leading tone. So again, notice our new sharp is T, the leading tone. Okay, so moving in a sharp direction, you start on C, you count up in fifths, you add sharps. Once you add a sharp, it stays. So once you add the F sharp, it's all the other scales have an F sharp going in a sharp direction. So the key signature for D is F sharp and C sharp. The key signature for A major is F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay, and the new sharp is the leading tone of the new key. All right, now let's move in a flat direction, starting with F major, D minor, and we're going to move the whole scale down a perfect fifth. So here's the scale, right? 1 flat. We walk down a fifth, a perfect fifth, which is a fifth within the key. Okay, it takes us to B flat. And now we can play, maybe we play the notes of the F major scale. So that would have the E there, just to see what that sounds like. That's where it sounds a little bit different from a major scale. Still wonderful, but different. So we lower this E to an E flat. That gives us Fa. Okay, so our new flat is Fa. Oh my gosh, and notice that the new tonic is the previous key's new flat. So when we went from C to F, we added a B flat, and now we've gone from F to B flat, which was our new flat. And our new flat is Fa. Okay, let's do that again. We're going to walk down 5 notes to get to our new key, which is now E flat. Again, the same pattern happens here. Our new flat from B flat is our new tonic. And that the new flat is fa. Okay, so for moving in a flat direction, we start on C, we count down in fifths, we add flats, and the new flat is fa.